Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. I made a vest with that and a dress, as you see. You can use it almost everywhere, and you can see it almost everywhere. We will make a sweater too with this stitch, so I want to share with you how to make it clearly with a video. I hope you like this video. And I use this yarn Kartopu Punto Kids. It's size 3 yarn. I use 4.5mm crochet hook with that. I hope you can see them. You can use any kind of yarn you choose, of course. If you have any question, please leave comments, and if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start. For this stitch, you will need multiples of 6 plus 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will make a little chains. I made 34 chains. Now yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains into that 4th chain. Insert your hook, drop a loop, yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops. We will make double crochets. Like that. Just put 1 double crochet for all the chains you have. I'll see you at the end of the row. That's my last double crochet. It's the end of the first row. Start with 1 chain for the second row. Into that first stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, make a double crochet, chain 2, and into that same stitch make 1 more double crochet. That's a V. Chain 2, skip 2 into that 3rd stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 into that 3rd stitch, a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, make a single crochet. That's our repeat. Finish this row like that. I'm at the end. I'll make 2 chains and make a single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Turn. Now you have 2 choices here. If you want, you can use puff stitch. If you want, you can use cluster. I like to use cluster version. So I will show you the puff stitch version first, then I will make it with cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook into that V stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, insert into same stitch and drop a loop again, yarn over, grab the yarn, and one more time. I made it 4 times. If you want, you can make it 3 times too. Just grab the yarn and pull it through from all your loops, all of them, and close it with a chain. We made our first puff, then chain 2. Make it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it with a chain, then chain 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it, then chain 2. And skip here, starting from here, make the same thing again and again. You can make it like that. I will show you the cluster. Again, you have to choose here. You can make double crochet clusters, or you can make some kind of treble crochet clusters. I will show you. For double crochet clusters, yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops and leave it like that. Yarn over again, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull it through from all these loops. That's 2 double crochet together. But I like to make it like that. Yarn over 1 time, insert your hook here, grab the yarn. That's all same. Now yarn over and pull it through from only first loop. Yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops and leave it like that. Make it one more time. Yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn over, pull it through from 1 loop. Yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops. As you can see, that's a little longer than 2 double crochet together, so I like to use it like that. Grab the yarn and complete it. Chain 2, make it 2 more times. 1, 2, finish. Chain 2, 1, 2, finish. Chain 2, skip here, and into that next V, make the same thing. 2, finish. Chain 2, 1, 2, finish. And make it one more time. Chain 2 and make it 3 more times. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm at the end of the row. Now I will make a treble here. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into that single crochet, grab the yarn, pull it through from 2, 2 and 2. Chain 4, chain 3 for a double crochet and chain 1 for 1 chain space. Starting from this chain 2 space, make a double crochet. Chain 1 into the next chain 2 space, make a double crochet. Chain 1 into the next chain 2 space, make a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet. That's an easy row. Just put 1 double crochet for every chain 2 space. And that's the last one, chain 1, make a double crochet into that 4th chain, now we finish one set. We will start for a new set again. That's our combination. 1, 2, 3 chain and turn. Make a double crochet here. Make a double crochet into that double crochet stitch. A double crochet into that chain 1 space and into double crochet stitches. Just keep making like that and finish this row. And at the end of the row, don't forget to put a double crochet here, then make a double crochet into that 3rd double crochet stitch. Now we will repeat this row. Chain 1, turn, single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, and double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet. It's an easy combination, as you see, and I like to use it almost everywhere. Actually, I want to show you. I will make a sweater with this stitch, and I made this dress, use here, and a vest. I hope you like this stitch and use it for your blankets or anywhere you want. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Srin's Crochet is my Instagram and my Pinterest and my website address. You can reach me there too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.